Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to install Steam on Windows 10, so you can download, install, and start using Steam easily on your PC. Step 1. Open any web browser like Google Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Type Steam Download in the search bar, and click the first result from steampowered.com, which is the official and safest source to download Steam. Step 2. Once the Steam website opens, look at the top of the page and click the green Install Steam button, which is provided to start the official installation process. Step 3. On the next page, click Install Steam for Windows, and this will begin downloading the Steam Setup.exe file, which is the installer needed to set up Steam on your system. Step 4. After the download is finished, locate the Steam Setup.exe file in your Downloads folder and click on it to start the installation. Step 5. When the user account control pop-up appears, click Yes, as this allows Steam to make necessary changes to your system for proper installation. Step 6. When the Steam Setup window opens, click Next. Choose your preferred language. Click Next again. Keep the default installation location unless you have a reason to change it. Then click Install to begin installing Steam. Step 7. Once the installation is complete, leave the Run Steam option checked and click Finish, so Steam launches automatically on your Windows 10 PC. Step 8. Allow Steam to download and install updates, as these updates are important for security, performance, and accessing the latest features. Step 9. When the login screen appears, click Create New Account if you don't have one, or enter your existing account details and click Login to start using Steam. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.